Alright, so the update is pretty much done on the game, so you can pretty much change all the art assets in the game. Um, so as usual, it's in the settings menu. So if you go into settings, you'll see all the different things here. I'll just go with some test images here. So test background, size for the test background is 1920 by 1080. I'll just use this, use the test border image. The shuffle card image is let's see if I have one. I should, yeah. So yeah, that's the card where you see the number for the shuffled index. And then for the bottom design image, it's like the little squiggly. So test bottom design, just select that here. These images should be 1920 by 1080, again full HD, and it just anchored at the bottom. And then for the light image, pick this test image. Remember, they have to be fully white to emphasize the glow effect. That's basically done for that. Now if I just go back, you can see everything has changed. The border, I changed that. The background also changed. And also if you go into the other panel, you can see this has also changed, and also this design here has changed, right? And the light also changed to the little star image that I had. And another thing that you asked for was let me just reset it. Another thing that you asked for is the multi-selection. Of course, that still exists. You just hold down left shift and you select a bunch of things, go in here, upload a test item, this little thing, test item image, done, and you can see there's multiple images selected now. Another thing is, of course, the cell count. You can modify that. For example, if I set it to 24, you can see this has decreased to 24 cells only. You can set it to whatever you want, something like 14. That will also work, right? Okay, and let's see. Another thing is the little idle screen animation that you're talking about that you want to play. Ideally, it should be a video. So if you just hit escape, and it's gonna be the settings or pause menu here, and you just hit the little idle button, it's gonna take you to this idle screen. And if you press any other button, it's just going to take you back to the game view, right? And of course you can change that. So in here, if you just come here to the right here, you can see load idle screen video, and I have a test video, just a little DVD video. And then if I go back now and hit idle, you can see the video has changed. And again, if you hit any key, even mouse, it's just going to revert back to the game view. It's like a screensaver. Let's see, and if you hit this little button here, it's going to set all these images to the default images, right? And you can see it's gone back to default. Just to show you, I'll just change this back to something. Change this to that, and maybe this to border. Change the design here, bottom design. Change the light image again. If I go back and if I start the game and then hit enter and then hit enter again, you can see all of that has changed, like the background in here as well. And once you reveal, you can see the reveal panel also changes the whole theme around it, right? So yeah, that's basically done for that. Yeah, this should be it. I'll also make a video on how to run it on Mac. Unfortunately, I don't have a Mac developer account. That's why it's kind of annoying running it on iOS devices. You'll just have to give it all the permissions and go through the security tab and allow it before running it. Yeah, I'll also make another video on that and give it to you. But yeah, for now, let me know if this looks good, and I'll just send it to you once you send me a confirmation of the payment. All right.